Alright everybody, welcome to my channel again. It's original Kountry Boi and from in a simi in the nose I'm up to something down. Let me take off the mask so you can see me more. So yeah man, peeps, today is April 15th, exact Thursday. And today is my father's birthday. He must celebrate his birthday. Daddy, big up. I'm not gonna guess to give daddy a link, but guess what? My uncle, my grandmother away from home her birthday too. And she turned how much, uncle, tell me?
90.
Yeah, 90?
90.
Yeah. So my aunt, my grandmother away from home turn 90. And guess what, peeps? We are gonna give her a link. And we just have got video the process heading there. So the journey that we're on is straight to Alexander Brownstown, St. Ann, Jamaica. So stay tuned and watch the journey. And when we get there, we are gonna chat with her a little bit and see what she are doing with that thing. And see if she can share the knowledge, hopefully, what it's like, how she feel, and bear them something there.
So you behave yourself because you need to.
Yeah man, I behave myself man, so yeah. So please, as usual, I always telling you, go buy a shirt, Kountry Boi shirt. You don't know we are rep it loud as always. And everybody, I'll see you on the flip. What kind of mango them there?
I like mango.
Alright, big up your mango man. I know me say, me not get to look for daddy, but here one. Me I go video where you call him. Call daddy, me will give him a buzz, yo. Call daddy, me will give him a buzz, man. Alright, phone a dial. Yeah, phone I go dial right now. Yeah, start ring. Put the bar speaker. Load up.
So when you turn up this?
Calling Pops on his birthday.
Hey daddy, what's up?
Daddy, happy birthday!
Wagwan! Happy birthday!
Yeah! Yeah man, so we are big up Pops for his birthday.
Yeah, enjoy your birthday, daddy.
Yeah man, surely.
Daddy, when you come to country next week, I buy you a beer here.
More than beer you get next time you come to country. Yeah, that big you go get sauce.
Daddy, your video work?
Huh?
Your video work? What's up?
Yeah, but me not on WhatsApp now.
Oh.
Alright, you eat breakfast already, daddy?
Yeah, me eat first breakfast, me eat second on it.
What?
Nah.
Are you already there? So you're supposed to get everything.
Yeah.
You don't know something. Yeah, man.
Papa Styles, man. I tell you, Papa Styles.
Daddy, take care. Love you.
Alright, little more, daddy. Love you.
Yeah man.
Alright, peeps. So, you see, say Papa Styles getting big up. Papa Styles getting big up. So, one big up out of the way. Daddy, big up yourself when you watch this and you still up on the phone. Yeah, man, so we still up on the way to Brownstown right now. Alright, peeps, so I make a little pit stop at Sharky's. I get fish again, man. I know I'm not have on a shirt, but I have to go put on back my shirt still. My Kountry Boi shirt, people. Yeah, man. I look where I go on the beachfront, you see me? Yes, people, a long time we not come a beach. A couple seagull out here. And I put on my shirt and now I'm gonna look for the fish. Yeah man, what they have shark is, as me say. Pick up one nice shark for grandma, you see it? A shark where I pick up, no?
No, it's a nice shark.
Shark where I pick up, man, I want to. Yes, Pete, so I pick up a shark for grandma, a nice old red snapper shark, you see it? Just play. Welcome to Sharkies, everybody. Maybe one day I do a restaurant review on this. Nice. Yeah man, peace. I love sharkies too, yeah? If you don't want a nice good shark, you can always feel free to come down. Run out here, Jamaica. So Kountry Boi is in Brownstown and we are en route to our grandmother on her 90th birthday. We got a cake, yeah man, and we got the fish over there in that bag. Next time you see me, we'll be there at grandma. Lighty, you see? Alright, queer. Grandma lighty and she's still around pot. Grandma, your birthday, how you cook?
Yeah, cook,
man. Hey, grandma.
Look after vegetable.
Yeah, look after vegetable, grandma. Alright, I saw when we reach 90, but I still strong. Oh, yeah, me, grandma. Big up everybody. Watch 20. 20. Oh, yeah, me, man. We have to put it there to 20. What sister there?
Sister there,
alright, so them are twin. I look for the other twin. Make she say hi. Say hi. Hi, happy birthday again, dear grandma. Alright, I look for you. I look for your next twin. Yeah man, KFC for the kids then. Yeah. Big up the general, let's do KFC, Kentucky Fried Fowl. Hey Uncle Desi, I have to go watch that there when we are reverse out. Yeah. I'm here animal over here. How old is that one I know? Say big up Kountry Boi.
Big up Kountry Boi.
Oh yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah man, there I do a vlog man. Alright peeps, so we are going to vibe a little bit and then we start video back again. Here, Kountry Boi Attic grandma birthday party. So, as me saying, I think grandma cool up, couple grandma here peeps. Be purple in it. Show me a next 90-year-old what bossy like grandma right now. Grandma, tell me little boy here, grandma. I will put in the fear.
Hear this, sir.
You hear this, sir? How are you hear this, sir?
When your lady name is Velma.
Miss Velma, anyway that world you dey big up yourself right now, cause grandma look bossy for her birthday, man. Kuya man? No, sir. Grandma, what advice you can give me being 90 years old in Jamaica right now?
I'm going to say thank the Lord to see me in 90 years old.
Thank the Lord, no.
Thank the Lord.
Oh God, man.
And I don't know if any of my children they will live to see my age.
Don't it, man, because boy, it's a milestone that you know, grandma, as you cut the vegetable here. You need a big pot of sitting. How you call this pot though, grandma? Because boy, make sure I'm right, you know. A dish or pot this.
It's a one pump pan.
Pump pan. A long time I don't hear that, you know, man. Pump pan. People, this day pump pan. A pump pan this day, but I don't look normal, man, I swear. Grandma, one last thing, boy, you say for me on the camera. Boy, you say big up Kountry Boi. That's our first thing.
Big up everybody in Jamaica, big up my son and daughter them in America.
All
my
right.
great and grand
Yeah?
and
Don't forget Kountry Boi though, say Kountry Boi.
everyone of my family and my brother and sister them.
I'm Kountry Boi,
And
I'll be a Kountry Boi.
Me have one last auntie. May God take care of him and keep him.
No.
I believe me 100-year-old, I believe.
I'm 100, grandma.
I believe auntie be there almost 100 now.
No, sir. Big up yourself, man. Now what? You have to say, you have to big up me, Kountry Boi too.
I
I'll be
big
a
up
Kountry.
all my family, my friend, my
Kountry Boi,
friend
yeah.
from Ochi.
You don't say Kountry Boi, grandma.
Now call no Kountry Boi.
Oh God, alright, grandma, out there, yeah, man.
Big up all my church sister.
Everybody else, no.
My
You see it?
pastor.
Oh, you big grandma, boss, yeah, man. Alright, you know, sister grandma say it alright, you know, grandma no easy, grandma boss here than the whole away right now, Kountry Boi. So yeah, man. Everybody right now, you know, see pre, no? Grandma birthday celebration, you know, normal, music I play, food I cook and thing, so yeah. So she a go video me people, me and Nara go shop. Where we a go? Shop. So big up Kountry Boi.
Big up Kountry Boi.
Alright. Yeah man peace, we are going to shop right now. We want sickness, so I get a sorrel beer and our best beer that Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, baby, party. Yeah. Yeah man, so we actually go shop. Everything mash, man. Yeah. We are touch on the main road there now. Brownstone. Yeah. Reach a shop and we are buy a sorrel beer. Big up the corner shop here. Show us them a quarantine. So Andrew can't say nothing about the corner shop because guess what? I'm a quarantine. And guess what piece? Me in my mask. So big up the Prime Minister because we do what we do same way here. Alright, big up the shopkeeper. So. Oh, grandma get juice.
Many more. Pepsi come for me.
What Pepsi?
Yeah.
And if one I go have biscuit them, yeah? So yeah man, we just buy 3 sorrel beer. That's for grandma. Yeah.
You will see all of them later. Yeah. Right?
I'm perfect. It's what happened.
Go check on grandma because she eat her food, you see me? But wait, Cecil. Yeah man, the kids them a eat. Cecil a eat man. Sir Cecil. Sir Cecil. Sir Cecil, careful enough, Sir Cecil. Don't deal with it like the police guy, though. Careful enough. Yeah. Grandma, don't be that time. Alright, peeps, so but they are sign out now. We done deal with grandma, everything, so
Bring Roger, man.
please remember to like, share and subscribe, and definitely peeps, I will see y'all again, okay? Alright.